Why you must choose Flux Hybrid. Here is the reason. Flux Hybrid is a perfect combination of easy-to-use quick detailer and a long-lasting sealant. It is made from special formulation of natural carnauba wax and nano resins that will give you a deep gloss and warm glow with long-lasting protection. Here we share how to use Flux Hybrid. First, shake the bottle before use. Second, ensure surface is clean and dry. Third, spray directly onto the surface. Fourth, wipe over with microfiber ensuring spread evenly. And lastly, fold microfiber and buff with fresh side.
For more information, contact our admin.
Hurry, visit Premio Malaysia for more info.